Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object in Solidworks software. It is generally used in pumping system. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay. Then I'm selecting the MMGS. Then taking the front plane and go to the sketch and select the center line and draw it. Okay. Right button is click and select. Then go to the line command. Okay, it will be go upward 20 millimeters, then this way it will go 5 millimeters, then downwards 10 millimeters, then go here it will be 100 millimeters and join to this point. Okay, done. Right button is click, select. Then I'm going to exit it and go to the feature, select the rebel boss, click here and it will be automatically closed. Okay, done. Okay, then I'm going to select the extruded cut and click on the surface, go to here, select the normal plane. I'm going to select the circle and draw it. It will be 18 millimeters. So exit it and select the through all. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the mirror, go to here, select the right plane and go to the board is to mirror and merge solid will be Ojo, click on the surface. Okay, done. Then I am going to extrude curves again, click on the surface, go to here, select the normal plane, going to select the circle and draw a circle. It will be 5 millimeters. Okay, then I am going to select the circular sketch and the circle number will be 8. Okay, done. Exit it and through all is selected. Okay, then I am going to select the materials, going here and select the steel. Solid steel is taken and this color is select. Okay, done. Before going here again, all color is taken actually. Okay, done. Okay, you are watching this. Okay, you are watching this portion. I mean section view. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.